Hello everyone, today I'm coming to Costco in San Diego to test the sound pressure level. So let's see here, this is the entrance. I'm here close to the Christmas tree, very close to the entrance and not far away from the exit. And now if I don't speak, noise. So the noise level in Costco is 69 dBSPL. So this is pretty normal, nothing to worry about. Let us see other areas. Unlock it. Let's see. Similar 69 dBSPL.
Others family. It's right here.
So I move around and change the place.
$19, $20.
It's very similar, still 69 dBSPL. So this is a, I would say, left part of the whole Costco. So it's like a U shape, not like very close to the entrance. That part, you have a lot of electronics over there, and I would say everywhere pretty much similar noise level, very uniform. Okay. Okay, so I would say stay here as long as you like, no worries. The noise level here is not any risk to our hearing. You can stay as many hours as you like here shopping. Cool. Now I'm at the exit of Costco. I think the noise level is about sound level is about it's a little bit noisier than other places. It's about still similar 69 dBSPL. I would say overall the whole place in Costco is pretty stable, around 69 dBSPL.